Hello, guys. Welcome back for another episode. This is episode 8, and I took this very nice photo in the pond, lake kind of thing. So I am just trying. Okay, hold on. First, let me start by saying thank you guys for joining my video. Thank you guys for liking and hopefully hitting the subscribe button down below. That will help me a lot if you subscribe. And with the overexposure or low exposure, I'm not gonna do anything. I kind of want to try and get the wings more in focus. I did take this with a long exposure photo of 4 seconds. Yeah, it looks like the left wing is more in focus than the right, but I want to see. Yeah, I want the green to stay on the head. Okay. You can see a little bit the wing on the right, like right there. Well, what it's really cool is how the wings here came out, how the feathers came out. That's really dope. No, I'm trying to get those wings more out. Because when I will print this photo out, I want people to notice the wings. I don't want them to be like, hey man, why does that damn duck have no damn wings? Actually, he does have wings, just look a bit closer. Oh damn, look at that shit. He got wings. Yeah, no shit, bro. I know we got wings. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Let's see if the shadows could help out. I'm mainly focusing, okay, the left wing you can clearly tell, right? I'm focusing on the right wing. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put the highlights low. But no, it takes away the definition on the head. But that's where the white part might work in my favor. Yeah. Let me see what is affecting the head. It's definitely not the highlights. Maybe the contrast? Whoa. What the fudge? Nope. Damn, I didn't even... Yeah, so it's the contrast. I will zoom out after. I just want to get the head in with color. Okay, yeah, I guess that's okay. Sorry, I'm just itching my ear. Sorry for mic noise. Okay. So this one is gonna take me a bit of time. This one's gonna take me a bit of time because there's things that I'm trying to get to work. Now I really hate the fact that when I do that, this goes away. Now it's back, but it will. I think it affects it. You know what? You can see the wing more or less on the right. The left one is very nice looking. But yeah, let's see, maybe the color tint could help me out to get that right wing popping out more. I'm just testing it out. It's the first time I'm actually using this light. I mean the god damn, the color tint stuff. I'm gonna keep that control. Maybe it's the vibrance I need. Maybe it's the vibrance that I need. Well, I don't think so. Damn, the water looks sick though. Check that out. I mean, it's okay, but it's not really cool. Like, it ain't got no color. Boom! Damn! Look at that. Oh shit, look at that. Look at that water. Looking good. I like the way this is turning, guys. Okay, look at the left. The wing looks freaking gorgeous. Although it's like flopping, like so many times. When I took this shot on the 4-second exposure, man, I thought I was just gonna have the entire body with no wings. But I am so happy, and look, check it out, it's coming out more. So this is the saturation. Jeez, man, that looks so artificial. Nah, black and white ain't gonna do shit. So this looks like horrendous. And my head is still getting focused, so yeah, I really like it. Look at those wings. Nice. Effects. Let's go for effects right now. I'm gonna go a bit like that. Whoa, guys, look at those damn wings. I don't want that shit. Sorry, YouTube, for swearing, you know. Kind of tired today. I mean, shit is a common word. I mean, I'm not saying it towards anybody personally, so yeah. Dude, look at the girth on that neck, yo. Okay, dehazing, like I said, it has its own purpose. But for this photo, maybe a +3. Look at the difference. Look at the difference of this. Look at how different it is. BAM! Alright, let's check the detail. Now I'm probably gonna, well, first I'm gonna see what happens if it's on 150. Happening. Yeah, so let's focus on the back. Damn, those wings look sexy. Alright. And I freaking love the way I was able to regain that contrast and color on the head. I really love this photo. Guys, when I will have my website up and running, eventually, it would be very, very appreciative if you guys would, you know, order my prints and I'll print them out for you and deliver it to you. Whoa, what am I doing? Contrast again? Why? Okay. Why is it not coming back? Wow, that was weird. Saw that? Look, let's see if we'll do it again. Okay, it's back to normal. I don't know why Lightroom was glitching like that. And color noise. What does color noise do? I think it's a new feature. I've seen color modes before. I'm putting 35. Come on. There we go, Lightroom. I don't know what's going on with you, but you're not working too good today. Come on. Very nice. So guys, just tap on the screen with my mouse and check it out. Isn't this a beautiful photo? I'm really proud of it because, you know, it came out just as I wanted it to. Although I would have appreciated if the camera would have made the same focus on the wings, but I understand the duck was flapping it quite rapidly, so I'm surprised that the left wing got such nice focus on it. And the right side, you know, I was able to get that blue part. You can kind of tell on in the right part of the center. Kind of got the beginning of the wing over there and some of the feathers on the side. The body of the... Wow, I didn't even notice. Look, I got its foot. I got its, yeah, the duck foot. Yeah, I like it. Let me know if you guys like it. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I will be uploading constantly to my page / channel. So if you like a YouTube creator / photographer who posts on the daily, that's me right here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And there will be a lot more episodes coming up and a lot more of tips and advice. And also, if you have any tips or advice that you want to get from me, let me know down below. I will make a video about that as well. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys taking time out of your day, time to watch my video, learn from my videos, and get educated. And it means the world to me, you know.